to take this t-shirt and I'm going to rub my scalp to see if I can get some dirt off and see if it really works. Ugh. Yeah, it's working, y'all. Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of KiHiVE. And hello to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, you guys, so if you haven't read the title, today I'm going to be showing you all how I wash my faux locks. I wash my hair in faux locks. So I've had these in for about a month now, and I'll show you all what they're looking like. So as you can see, I believe they are still looking pretty good. They're kind of starting to unravel a little bit, but it's not anything major. They do tend to stick together a little bit, but again, nothing that really bothers me because I literally wear it like up, or if I wear it down I just kind of leave it alone. So it still looks really good. I'm going to keep it in for a little while longer because it's just so easy just to get up and shake my head and go. So I have not washed my hair in a month. Yeah, I needed to find a way to wash my hair without actually having to get in the shower and drench my scalp with water. So I went to the beauty supply store and I found this Tropical Roots Clean and Deposit Anti-Itch Shampoo Spray. See, I went out and I found this and I looked at all the ingredients and everything looks pretty good to me. It's designed to clean the hair and deposit moisture back into the hair and the scalp. Formulated with scalp soothing ingredients to help alleviate itchy, dry scalp and flaky buildup. So I'm going to show you all how this works. It doesn't look too bad. It just feels really dry. So hopefully this will help. So it says that you're supposed to spray it all over your head until it's saturated and massage your scalp with your fingertips for 3 to 5 minutes. This is towel dry, but I'm going to use a, what you call that, a t-shirt instead of a towel. So let's see. It smells pretty good. It smells like, it kind of smells like cherries and, you know, that cherry scent you get at the car wash. That's what it smells like. So I'm just spraying this directly onto my scalp. It doesn't take a whole lot to make your scalp saturated. This section is pretty well saturated and my hair is starting to feel pretty soft, which is good because my hair was just, y'all, I just could feel the dryness and it just wasn't working for me anymore. See, this is my eye. Okay, so my hair feels, this section feels pretty soft. Okay, so I pretty much almost got half my head done. I was gonna do sections, but then it just turned into me just spraying my scalp. So you can do that too. So I'm just kind of making sure I hit, you know, the front, back, side.
From the front, back, side, girl, I
don't know that song. Okay, so I have pretty much sprayed my entire scalp with this spray and it definitely smells really fresh. It's not a very strong, harsh scent. So now I think I'm going to flip my head upside down so that I can really get into my roots. So now that I've massaged my scalp for like 5 minutes, I'm going to take this t-shirt. It says use a towel, but I'm going to take this t-shirt and I'm going to rub my scalp to see if I can get some dirt off and see if it really works. Ugh. Yeah, it's working, y'all. I don't know if y'all want to see this, but good to use a t-shirt instead of a towel, because I'm not going to be drying your scalp out. I didn't know my scalp was this dirty. Ew. And again, I'm not scratching my scalp. I am just I'm just rubbing it. Okay, y'all, so I've been rubbing my scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes, and this is, hold up, let me see if y'all can. So yeah, this is the, ew, it's so nasty. I'm sorry y'all gotta see this, but I know y'all want to see it, but not really. But yeah. So yeah, this is the dirt from my scalp. Ew. I just moved my hand around the shirt and then continue to rub my scalp until I see little to no, dirt marks on my scalp. It begins to lighten up as I continue. So now it's not as bad. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like. I think that actually looks pretty good. I only showed you this side of my scalp because it's really hard to get the back, but I can definitely tell you that my scalp feels so much better. Now I'm going to use some outgrowth oil to oil my scalp. I have the light oil moisturizer. I'm just going to take it and get it all in your scalp. It just feels really good and makes my hair grow like a weed. Like, this is the only oil I've found that actually makes my hair, helps my hair growth. And massage that on in. Alright, and while my hair's in this style, I won't be doing any rice water treatments for obvious reasons, because I just don't want it to get mixed up in the hair. This is how I wash my hair while it's in this style. Feels nice and cool and refreshed, because before it was feeling like dry and itchy and it was flaking and it just wasn't cute. So yes, that is how I wash my hair in my Faux Locs. I'm so glad that I found this spray, because this is definitely a lifesaver. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with all your friends. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to join the KiHiVE. You know you want to. And I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.